for $30,000 in legal fees, I figured I had to trust him to do what was right. And he did. We went back into the courtroom. The judge reconvened the session and told my attorney that it was his turn to question my estranged wife. My attorney stayed seated and said, "No questions, Your Honor. You could have knocked me over with a feather." My ex-wife got one of her sour and mean little smiles on her face. She knew she'd beaten me. The judge said, "Time for closing arguments," and called for my attorney to close. My attorney stood up, moved to the lectern and said, "Your Honor, the law clearly states that the court can only rule on items brought before it during the hearings. And since nothing has been brought to the court about the disparity of earnings, post-marital support, or continued maintenance, they cannot be considered." At that point, you could literally hear a pin drop in the gasping intake of air. And you could see the color drain out of the faces of both my ex-wife and her attorney. The fact that I was making almost six figures at just one job, and had insurance through my job, and a good retirement plan with insurance cover included, were all moot points that she would get minimal benefit from. Yes, she got part of my retirement income, $810.56 per month for the rest of my life. But that was calculated